Woke up this morning to a meow in my face. Cat's on the counter like she owns the place. Dog's got my slipper, running top speed. Chased by the cat, it's a four-paw stampede. Paws and claws, it's a furry old riot. They don't stay calm and they sure ain't quiet. Zoomies at midnight, naps all day. Chaos is cute, what can I say? Cat's in a box that's two sizes small. Dog just walks straight through the screen door wall. Tuna on the table, not for long. This crew's got morals, but they're not that strong. Paws and claws, it's a slapstick show. Hair on my clothes and snacks in tow. Tail in my cereal, face in the cake. This household runs on naps and mistakes. One digs holes like a backyard bandit. The other plots like a feline bandit. They fight, they snuggle, then they attack. And somehow both end up asleep on my back. Dog tried yoga, now the mat's all chewed. Cat photobomb